Welcome to Rani Chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to discuss about the SPDF block elements of 8 marks important essay in first year intermediate chemistry chapter classification of elements and periodic properties. So today we will discuss about that S, P, D, F block elements. So based on the differentiating electron, that means the last electron which enters into an atom is called differentiating electron. Based on the differentiating electron enters into the subshell or orbit, the elements in the periodic table are divided into 4 blocks. That is, first one is S block elements. Second one, P block elements. Third one, D block elements. Fourth one, F block elements. For each block, 2 marks will be allotted. First, we will discuss about the S block elements. So the definition is, first point is the elements in which the differentiating electron enters into ns orbital or subshell are called S block elements. So this is the very important point. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into ns orbital are called S block elements. Next, second point is the general electronic configuration. Of S block elements. General electronic configuration of S block elements is NS1 to 2. This S block contains 2 groups. First A, second A group elements. First A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. The general electronic configuration of first A group elements is NS1. The general electronic configuration of second A group elements is NS2. Next, fourth point. These all S block elements are metals. All S block elements are metals. Next, what is the position of the S block elements in the periodic table? So periodic table is like this. Here on the left side, S block elements are there. In the middle, this is S block elements. These are D block elements. These are P block elements. At the bottom, F block elements. At the bottom, F block elements are present. What is the position of these S block elements? S block elements are present on the left side of the periodic table. So they are present left side of the, they are present left side of the periodic table. They are present left side of the periodic table. Okay, next, second one, p block elements. P block elements. First point is the definition: the elements in which the differentiating electron enters into NP orbital. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into NP orbital are called p block elements. Next, second point is the general electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of p block elements is NS2 NP126. NS2 NP126. So the general electronic configuration of p block elements is NS2 NP126. Okay. Next, this p block contains 6 groups. Total number of electrons in p orbital are 6 electrons. So p block contains 6 groups. P block contains 6 groups. That is, third A group elements are called boron family. Its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP1. Third A, it contains 3 valence electrons. Next, fourth A group elements are called carbon family. Its general electronic configuration NS2 NP2. Next, fifth A group elements known as nitrogen family. Its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP3. Sixth A group elements is known as oxygen family or chalcogens. Chalcogens. Its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP4. Next, seventh A group elements, also known as halogens, that means salt forming elements. Its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP5. Next, eighth group elements known as noble gases. Its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP6. Next, third point is p block contains 6 groups. Okay, that is third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, eighth group elements. Next, this p block contains nonmetals, metalloids, metals. In the p block, starting nonmetals are there, in the middle metalloids, at the bottom metals are there. So metallic nature from top to bottom increases. Next point, this p block, what is the position of p block? So p block is present at the right side of the periodic table. P block is present at the right side of the periodic table. Right side of the periodic table. It is present at the right side of the periodic table. Next point. So okay, over this point. These points are these are enough for the p block elements. So the first point, the definition is the elements in which the differentiating electron enters into NP orbital are called p block elements. The general electronic configuration of p block elements is NS2 NP126. P block contains 6 groups. Third A group known as boron family, NS2 NP1. Fourth A group known as carbon family. Its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP2. Fifth A group elements are known as nitrogen family. Its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP3. Sixth A group elements are known as oxygen family or chalcogens. its general electronic configuration is NS2, NP4. Chalcogens means ore forming elements. 7th group elements are known as halogens, that means salt forming elements, NS2, NP5. 8th group elements are known as noble gases. Its general electronic configuration is NS2, NP6. This P block contains nonmetals, metalloids and metals. They are present at the right side of the periodic table. Next one. Next block is third block is D block elements. D block elements. First point is the differentiating electron, the elements in which the differentiating electron enters into n-1 d subshell or orbital are known as D block elements. The general electronic configuration of D block elements is n-1, d1 to 10, ns1 to 2, ns1 to 2. So this D block contains 10 groups. D block contains 10 groups, that is third B to 8th B, first B, second B. So total 10 groups are present. These D block elements are present in 4 series. They are present in 4 series, that is 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D series. Okay. Next, all D block elements are metals. All D block elements are metals. Next, what is the position of the D block elements in the periodic table? They are present at the middle of the periodic table, or they are present in between the S and P block elements. S and P block elements, they are present at the middle of the periodic table. Middle of the periodic table. So these are the important points. So the first one is definition. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into n-1 d orbital or subshell are called D block elements. The general electronic configuration of D block elements is n-1 d1 to 10, ns1 to 2. D block contains 10 groups, that is third B to that is second B. D block contains 4 series, that is 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D series. All D block elements are metals. They are present at the middle of the periodic table. Next, fourth one, F block elements. F block elements. First point is the elements in which the differentiating electron enters into n-2 F subshell or orbital are called F block elements. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into n-2 F orbital are called F block elements. The general electronic configuration of F block elements is n-2 F1 to 14, n-1 D 0 or 1, ns2. So this is very important electronic configuration. Next, third point, this F block contains two series, that is 4F and 5F series. 4F and 5F series. This 4F series is known as lanthanoids. 4F series are known as lanthanoids. These 5F series are known as actinoids. So third point is F block contains two series, 4F and 5F series. 4F series are known as lanthanoids, 5F series are known as actinides. Next, fourth point, what is the position of the block elements? They are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. Bottom of the periodic table. They are present at the bottom of the periodic table. These F block elements are inner to the D block elements, so they are known as inner transition elements. D block elements are also known as transition elements except zinc, cadmium, mercury. These are completely filled orbitals 3d10, 4d10, 5d10. These are not D block, these are not transition elements, they are D block elements. So what is the other name for D block elements except zinc, cadmium, mercury? Transition elements. F block elements are known as inner transition elements. Inner transition elements.